Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. I'm going to be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut taillight tint on this Hyundai Palisade. This is an air release film, so it's going to be applied completely dry. There are 3 parts to this. You're going to have like the main portion and then the 2 sides. So we're going to do the sides first. The tint that's already on the lamp is the dark smoke version, so you can get an idea of what that looks like. I'm going to pull that off, and then we're going to put the light smoke version on. There are side-by-side comparisons on the website, so you could tell the difference between all the films. We do have some other color options as well if you are after something else. If you're after something that's not listed on the site, just feel free to reach out prior to placing an order. If you are interested in this product or anything else we offer for this vehicle, make sure you check out the link in the video description below. So the only tools that you're going to be needing for today are just a heat gun or a hair dryer and a squeegee. The squeegee is not 100% necessary. You can use your fingertips. I'm actually going to have a wrap glove on. It just allows you to slide over the material a little bit better. But you can use, like I said, your fingertips as well. So as far as starting on the outer or the inner, that doesn't matter. Either one, whatever you're more comfortable with. And by that I mean the sides, not that main big portion. I'm going to start on the outer just because I have the tint right in front of me right here. So on this guy, you're just primarily trying to cover this face right here. And we're going to follow that contour. All the way down. Once you get that main face tacked on, you can go ahead and grab your heat source. You want to just focus on this edge. Just make sure that material's wrapped around thoroughly. Then it also helps to go over the entire film, just make sure everything's locked down too. So now that that's done, I'm going to go to this inside edge. Excuse me. It is a little bit easier if you do pop the hatch here, but you can do it without as well. It's a little tighter in there. So on this, I know you can't see it in the video, but I'm aligning at that like backmost edge. Same thing on this one, you want to just make sure that that edge is curled over that side. And now you can go ahead and get started on the larger piece. So on this larger one, we'll just align it in that upper corner. And then what I'm going to do is sort of just follow that contour on the top. And once it's going the right direction, you can sort of just work it all the way down in the center. Had a little piece of the dark smoke still stuck on there. And you can pull this material back up and sort of repress it down. That's not an issue. So once you have the main portion down, you're gonna probably have to focus on these sides, just working the material out. And this will overlap your side piece there right on that edge. So if you weren't using the wrap glove, you would just be doing the same motion with your fingers. Like I said, the wrap glove just helps you slide over the material a little bit better. Then once you do have that all done, I do recommend going over the entire thing again with the heat gun and just pressing down one more time with your hands, squeegee, whatever you got working with there. Once this is applied, there's no time to wait to drive the vehicle. You can still take it through automatic car washes and stuff like that as well. And then in the future, if you do want to remove it, you just basically, as you saw in the beginning of that video, if you pick at one of the edges until you could get, hold of the material, you could go ahead and pull it off at that time. It shouldn't leave any residue. I've cleanly removed these products about 5-6 years down the road, and it literally just comes right off the tail light. So it's a cool product, it stays, but I mean, if it needs to be removed, you're not going to be left with all that residue. So again, if you're interested in this or anything else we offer, check out the link in the video description below. We have probably 10 or 15 products for this specific vehicle. I believe the year range on these are like 20 to 24, somewhere in there. But the exact year ranges will be listed on the website too if you're confused about anything. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our contact information, our phone number is available on the website. We have a live chat during business hours as well, or you could send us an email. All right, any questions, just let us know. Thanks for watching.